Good morning, students. Today's topic is alkanes chemical properties, reactivities of alkanes. Yesterday we will discuss alkanes, nomenclature and preparation methods of alkanes. Now, today we will discuss chemical properties or chemical reactivities of alkanes. Chemical reactivities of alkane. So, first of all, in alkane, due to small difference in the electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen atom, due to small difference in electronegativity in between carbon and hydrogen, alkanes are non-polar compounds. So, in alkane, due to small difference in electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen, alkanes are non-polar. Next, second point, they are not reactive with acid. Alkanes are not reactive with acids, bases and oxidizing reagent and reducing agents. Alkanes are not reactive with acids, base and oxidizing reagent and reducing agents, and it exhibit inert nature. Alkanes are exhibit inert nature. So they are not reactive with acid, bases and oxidizing and reducing agent. So because of alkanes exhibits inert nature. Okay. Next, because of their saturated character, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Because of their saturated character, paraffins are stable and inert substance. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. So they are stable and inert substance. Alkanes are stable and inert substance. Okay. Next, alkanes are not reactive with reagent. Alkanes are not reactive with reagents like electrophile and nucleophile. Alkanes are not reactive with reagents like electrophile, nucleophile. But in strong condition, in presence of light, they involve free radical substitution reaction. Alkanes are preferable reaction is free radical substitution reaction. So alkanes are not reactive with like electrophile and nucleophile, but in strong condition in presence of light. They involve in free radical substitution reaction. So these are the inert nature and stable and reactivity of alkanes. So reactivity of alkanes. Reactivity of alkanes. So first point is, in alkanes, due to small difference in electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen, alkanes are non-polar compounds. Next, they are not reactive with acids, bases and oxidizing and reducing agents. It exhibits inert nature. Because of their saturated character, alkanes are saturated character. So they are stable and inert substance. Next, last point, alkanes are not reactive with reagents like electrophile and nucleophile. Alkanes are not reactive with electrophile and nucleophile, but in strong condition, in presence of light, they involve in free radical. they involve in free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. So one of the most important free radical substitution reaction mechanism, halogenation. Free radical substitution reaction mechanism, halogenation. So now to discuss. So free radical free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. Example is halogenation. Halogenation. So in alkane, free radical substitution reaction example is halogenation. So halogenation. So first of all, reaction statement. So alkane react with halogen like chlorine. Alkane react with chlorine in presence of light. So chlorination takes place. So what form? Methyl chloride is formed. So this is the halogenation of reaction. So replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. In this halogenation, replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. So here replacement of hydrogen atom replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. Here replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. So in halogenation. So statement is methane react with halogen. Methane CH4. Methane react with halogen means chlorine or bromine, anything. Methane react with halogen means chlorine or bromine in presence of UV light to form corresponding substituted product. Corresponding substituted product means methyl chloride. So here H replaced by chlorine. So one H and one Cl from chlorine to form HCl. So this is the methyl chloride. So halogenation. So methane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine atom to form a CH3Cl, methyl chloride. Here one hydrogen replaced by one chlorine, and one hydrogen, one chlorine is here HCl. So this is the halogenation reaction. So in this reaction, halogenation of alkane takes place by free radical mechanism. This reaction mechanism takes place by free radical mechanism. It involves 3 steps. Okay, it involves 3 steps. Namely, first one, chain initiation, second one, chain propagation, and third one, chain termination. Okay, so this is the most important topic, free radical substitution reaction in alkane. Free radical substitution reaction in alkane. Okay, free radical substitution reaction. So example is halogenation. So what is halogenation? So in halogenation, replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen. Okay, halogenation means replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. So Statement of halogenation. Methane react with halogen, chlorine or bromine, anything. Methane means alkyl group, alkane. Methane react with halogen or chlorine in presence of HNU light, ultraviolet light, to form a corresponding substituted product means methyl chloride. Methyl corresponding substituted product means methyl chloride in HCl. So methyl chloride means halogenation of alkane. Alkane halogenation to form a methyl chloride. Here in methane, one hydrogen replaced by one chlorine atom. Okay, to form a methyl chloride. Okay, next, mechanism. Mechanism. Halogenation of alkanes takes place by free radical substitution mechanism. Free radical substitution mechanism. Free radical substitution mechanism. Okay. Halogenation of alkanes takes place by free radical substitution mechanism. Free radical mechanism. So it involves 3 steps. So in halogenation, in 3 steps, it involves 3 steps. It involves 3 steps. Okay. It involves 3 steps. So first one, chain initiation. Second one, chain propagation. Third one, last one, chain termination. So halogenation of alkanes takes place by free radical mechanism. It involves 3 steps. So this mechanism takes place in 3 steps. So first one is namely chain initiation, second one chain propagation, last one chain termination reaction. Okay, so here mechanism. First one is chain initiation. Chain initiation. So in this step, in the presence of light, chlorine molecule undergoes homolysis to form chlorine free radical. Means Cl bond Cl, Cl2, chlorine molecule. So in presence of light, HNu light, in presence of light, chlorine molecule undergoes homolysis. Homolysis means bond breakup. So homolysis to form a chlorine free radical. Here Cl dot plus Cl dot. Here chlorine free radical. Okay, this is the chain initiation step. Second one, chain propagation. propagation. Chain propagation means chain development step. So in this step, chlorine free radical attacks methane molecule. Chlorine free radical attacks methane molecule, breaking off one of the CH bond and generate methyl free radical with formation of HCl. So in this methane CH4, so chlorine free radical react with methane. Chlorine free radical react with methane. Okay. To form a methyl free radical CH3 methyl free radical. Here CH bond breaking, one hydrogen attached to chlorine. So one hydrogen of methane attached with chlorine HCl. So here to A step in chain propagation, step A. Okay, so chlorine free radicals attacks methane molecule. In methane molecule, breaking of C bond H and generate methyl free radical and formation of HCl. Okay, methyl free radical is formed. Methyl free radical formation. Next, the methyl free radical those obtained attacks second chlorine atom. So this methyl be methyl free radical. Methyl free radical attack with second free radical, chlorine free radical. So methyl free radical thus obtained second chlorine free radical molecules. So here chlorine is chlorine. So here it is not. So here CH3 and Cl, formation of CH3Cl. So methyl free radical react with chlorine. So methyl free radical and form chlorine with CH3Cl and liberate another chlorine free radical. So this methyl free radical react with second chlorine molecule to form a methyl chloride with liberation of another chlorine free radical. Okay, so this is the second step. So in this steps A and B, in this steps A and B replaced till the total reaction mixture is consumed. A and B, this is A and B repeated till the total reaction mixture is consumed. So step A and B repeated till the total reaction mixture is consumed. Okay, so this is the chain propagation step. Last, third step, chain termination step. Chain termination step. So when two free radicals directly combine, the chain reaction terminates. When the two free radicals directly combine. In chain termination, when the two free radicals directly combines, the chain reaction is terminates. So here chlorine free radical plus chlorine free radical. When two free radicals directly combine to form a chlorine, so the chain reaction is terminates. Here methyl free radical and another methyl. These two methyl free radicals directly combine to form a CH3 and one more methyl free radical and chlorine free radical. Methyl free radical and chlorine free radical directly combine to form methyl chloride. So when two free radicals directly combine, the chain reaction is terminates. So this is the chain initiation, chain propagation and chain termination. So same types of reaction is given by the other halogens. Same reaction given by other halogen means chlorine, bromine, any other. So but reaction with fluorine is very violent. Reaction with fluorine is very violent. Okay. So and the reaction with iodine is very slow, so is very violent, and reaction with iodine is very slow, and so the same type of reaction is given by the another halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, but chlorine, bromine, but fluorine with fluorine is very violent, and the reaction with iodine very slow and reversible. So this is the chain initiation, chain propagation and chain termination reaction. So here halogenation, free radical substitution reaction mechanism. Halogenation means replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen. Here methane react with halogen in presence of light to form a corresponding product methyl chloride. So in this mechanism, so halogenation of alkanes takes place in free radical mechanism. So here three steps involved. First one is chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination. Here chain initiation means in the presence of light, chlorine molecule undergo homolysis to form a chlorine free radical. Next, in chain propagation, chlorine free radical attacks methane, so breaking of CH bond and generate methyl free radical and form of HCl. Next, the methyl free radical those obtain attacks of second chlorine molecule to form a methyl chloride with liberate another free radical of chlorine. Okay. Next, steps AB is repeated till the total reaction mixture is consumed. Next, chain termination. When two free radicals directly combine, the chain reaction is terminates. Here chlorine free radical form chlorine, methyl free radicals form ethane. So methyl free radical, chlorine free radical form methyl chloride. So this is the free radical substitution reaction mechanism. Okay. Next, Next, selectivity and orientation of alkanes. Selectivity and orientation of alkanes. Selectivity and orientation of alkanes. In halogenation of alkanes, selectivity of bromine is more than chlorine. Halogenation of alkanes. Alkane selectivity of bromine is more than chlorine. So halogenation of alkane selectivity of bromine is more than chlorine. So example, reaction of propane with chlorine and bromine. Reaction of propane with chlorine and bromine. Reaction of propane with chlorine and bromine. Here CH3, CH2, CH3. Propane react with chlorine. So two different products form. So here at 250 degrees centigrade, so 1-chloropropane is formed. CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. So 1-chloropropane is formed. 1-chloropropane is formed. Next, and second one, CH3, CH3 chlorine. 2-chloropropane is formed. 2-chloropropane is formed. So 1-chloropropane percentage is 45% and 2-chloropropane percentage 55%. Okay, so propane react with chlorine to form a 1-chloropropane and 2-chloropropane. 1-chloropropane and 2-chloropropane. So here 1-chloropropane 45%, 2-chloropropane is 55%. Okay, next. Second, CH3, CH2, CH3. So propane react with bromine. Propane react with bromine. CH3, CH2, CH3, Br. So 1 bromopropane is only 3%. So CH3, CH3 bromine. 2 bromopropane is 97%. 97%. So here, so the order of reactivity of hydrogen atom is tertiary, secondary and primary. secondary, tertiary, secondary, primary. So here chlorine is more reactive than bromine. Chlorine is more reactive than bromine. So it cannot differentiate primary and secondary. Primary carbon and secondary carbon hydrogen atom. So in propane gives 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane almost equal atoms, equal ratio. But bromine is less reactivity. Bromine is less reactivity and more selective than chlorine. So it selectively react with two secondary hydrogen atom. So propane gives only 2 bromo. Propane is 97%. 97%. So the bromine shows more selective in halogenation of alkanes. Bromine shows more selectivity in halogenation of alkane. Okay.